Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another party food idea for you. It's going to be a short episode, but that doesn't mean that it's not important. Today, we're going to make elote wings. What I've already done to prepare, last night, I took 4 pounds of chicken wings and I got them brining in our favorite Sweetwater spice brine. This time I used ancho chipotle brine. Absolutely delicious stuff. So, they have been marinating for 24 hours. I've got my wings dried off. Now, here I have some cornstarch. I'm going to dredge them in that. Carefully. Because while cornstarch makes things crispy, it also gets all over the freaking place if you're not careful.
He knows his shit.
Now I'm going to drop those into a fryer that's heated up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put them in there for about 9 minutes or whatever it takes for your fryer to get them up to 165 degrees internal temperature. All right, we'll see you for the next steps after they're done frying. All right, the wings are fresh out of the fryer. Now we're going to chuck them into this bowl here. And you can either do this in batches or wait till all your wings are done that you're going to cook and do it at one time. So now to that, we're going to add some lime zest, some lime juice, a little bit of cilantro, finely diced, some finely diced jalapenos, a little bit of chipotle chili powder. Now this is where you control the heat. The more you put on there, the hotter it's going to be. A little bit of tahini, which has a lime and chili flavor to it. And then some cojita cheese. We'll get that all mixed up. All right. Now I'll get that plated up and we'll get a judge out here and find out. Are these worth it? All right, they're all prepared, and our lovely judge, the director, is going to render some judgment.
Nice. Love the tahini.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little bit of a bite. Not terrible. Very good.
Okay, does it scream elote to you?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Hey, another option for your Super Bowl party spread, your NASCAR 500 or your Daytona 500 party spread, whatever. What should we party about?
Me eating these.
Okay, there we go. Hey, the director's going to continue eating, so we're going to close this up. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas. I must really hit a winner.